Hey gang, here's a pretty cool car. 1969 Dodge Charger RT. Tick, tock, tack. AM, FM, 4-speed. Look at those seats. Those are original seats. They're in pretty darn nice shape. I mean, it needs restored, of course it does. But pretty nice. Look at that back end there. Still got the original tire pressure label there. This is a B5 Blue 69 RT. The original engine is gone. I have a date-coded 69 block that comes with it. It's got a 71 440 HP in it right now. Really nice option car. A B5 Blue, black top, black interior, 4-speed car. It also has turn signal indicators, L31. Take a look at the nose on it. The fenders and hood are just beautiful. The doors are beautiful. No rust on them at all. The quarters have rust at the back. I'll show you here in a minute. The nose piece in the middle, of course they reproduce that now. They didn't used to, that H molding. That one's pretty bad. Pop the hood. Okay. So again, the original engine is gone. This one has the correct manifolds on it. It's a 71 engine, has the correct air cleaner on it, the correct 055 radiator in it. Really nice hood when you look at the bottom of it. No rust on the inner fenders. Firewall, all really nice and solid. Core support never been wrecked. No evidence there's any old damage there. The best part of the car, I do have the original fender tag for it. Best part about this car now is that you can get in, hit the key. If you put the right one in there, we'll go with this one maybe. So it does. Yep, there it is. And now it's running. Got a Hearst T handle. First, second, third, fourth. Okay, and we'll take a listen to the engine. It's got a mild cam and it's a fresh engine. Oh, a little bit of rust coming out of there, no problem. There is your 440 running. That nice mild cam. This car will be going up on eBay for sale very soon. Maybe up there right now. I don't know when this is going to post. Drug this out of Oakland, Oregon. Been setting since '97. Really good, complete car that you could play with right now and go run and drive. So if you didn't have time to do the restoration on it right now, but you wanted something to drive, this would be a good one for that. It just needs a little tinkering.